Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you very beautiful little baby booties, how you can make it so simple and so easy. All right, we're going to start. All right, now I want to show you what kind of booties we're going to make. We're going to do like little boy booties or a girl booties, doesn't matter. You can make it white, you can make it any color. And this is how it's going to look, the bottom part. So this is cute booties or just simple like a boots. This is very simple. They both the same, only thing is the way I did over here, like just little put design. You can do purl, knit, purl, and then you can make a little space for the ribbons if you want. So I'm gonna show you this little one over here, how you make it so simple and so easy. Now I know that everybody knows how to start. We're gonna put together your two needles to make it easier. And this is the yarn. This side, the short side, put it front of you. The short side of the thread, put front of you. Put your fingers. Forgive my fingers, it's a mess. And then you go this way and this way. It makes it two already. And then you do this. If you can't, you don't want to be confused, you can just put your finger and just go like this. And I'm sure everybody knows it. Very simple. So you will make about, it depends how big, how small do you want the booties, but for the baby like this, you will start about 36 or 46 or 32. It depends how much do you want. Now that's not for this baby boots, is I made it 36 seeds, okay, and this one I made it 46 seeds. So what we do is, the main secret, I will tell you what it is, the numbers, if it's like 36, 46 or 32 or 34, it doesn't matter. So now when we do start like that, everybody knows knit and purl. So pretend that I did already 46 seeds, which I have one that I'm going to show you. And every time that you start the first one, do not knit, go to the next and knit. This is all you have to do, knit. If you want to do knit and purl, you do purl. If you want to do knit and purl, you do bring forward and you do purl, knit, and then this is purl and this is knit. You bring forward, you do this way, and then go back. It gives you just the design of this top. But if you want to do the bottom, just simple this purl, all you have to do forward and backward. When you go front or when you go back, you just do regular knitting. And every time you start, do not knit or purl. So this way it will be firmer and tighter the ends. So all you do is knit or you do purl. But when you knit all, they all will be the same design. So now let's say we did the 46 seeds, which is very simple. Now you know it. So now I want to show you over here. Already I did, this is about 46 knit it is. Both sides I did the same thing. So now what we have to do is, when we work, we're gonna make sure we have 10 seeds in the middle. So we're gonna do the same purl or knit, whatever you call. Let me take the small one. So now that we have to start, it's 46. So both sides, if we need 10 in the middle, we have to count how many there is both sides. So it will be 18 and 18. I'm going to knit. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 more, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is 18 over here, and it will be now 10. I'm going to knit again, and 18, it's going to be this side. So I'm going to knit this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, and this is 9. Now that I arrived to the 10, sometimes you can put your pin to make it sure, but just beginning, and then you really don't need it. So now I did 9, 18, and then 9. So what do? I'll take 2 together, and then I knit, and that's what I do. And then what I do is I turn the needle. Now we don't have to knit anymore here. So I'm going to go back. I don't knit anything. I'll just take it out. Then I knit, but you have to count. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's going to be 10, so I have to take the 10th and 1 from 18, from the 18 that we have it here. Okay, and I'm going to do it, the thread I will put it back. Okay, if you want knit or purl, you have to decide what kind of design do you want in the front. Like here, I made little one, I finished it. I did it knit here, and the rest I did purl. So you can choose if you want the same design, you just work the same. If you want to show a design, a knitting, so what you do is you put the 10th and the 1 from 18, you take it and you bring it forward like this. Now we're going to turn again. So now we're not going to knit here both sides. All we have to do, this 10 seeds, and every time we reach to the 10th, we have to take 1 extra from the sides. So what it does, it will make shorter. It will make a place, it will fold, and it will make it very beautiful for you, just like this. I'm going to do one more time. So now I'm gonna just don't work the first one. Now we're gonna do 10. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10. So I will take the 10 and 1 from the 18 from the sides to bring them together, and I just knit. See, already it started to bend the tip of the foot, and it will be knitting like this. Now one more time, let's turn it around and knit regular. Take just 1, don't knit the first one always, keep it like that, and do purl. Bring it towards to you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, I counted wrong. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and this is the 10th. Always the 10 one that you see it's already separated. You take 1 from the sides and you fold it. So you do this, which is very simple. You can see the marks, but every time when you take it, it closes. So you do this until you reach 10, because it was 18. Let's see how many left. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. 6 more left. When you take this 6 too, over here will be 10, 10, and 10 all over. Very simple, very easy thing. It's not confusing. When you follow, look how beautiful it's gonna look. The the socks, it's gonna be just like this. See, now I have over here 10, I have 10 here, and I have 10 here. When you're minusing, make sure the ends over here will be 10, here will be 10 left, and here will be 10 left. So that's what's gonna do. So it's gonna be like this. So now, while we're finished this, every time that you start, you can leave. This is where we started, which I didn't left. It's always nice to leave a thread. So when you do it, when you fold it, you have extra thread over here, and you can put them together. And of course, at the ends later on, when you're finished here, you put them together. So now I want to show you how simple and easy it is. I prepared them so it won't take too much time for the video. So now this is, you're folding the socks. You see here, this is the mouth, this is the top of the boots. You take one from here, the seeds, and one from here, from the top, to connect them together. And when you do it, you make sure that this is the outside part, so you fold it. That's what I wanted to say. And when you fold it, you just go one here and one here, and then every purl, every line that you see, the ends, there is, you can do with the crochet or you can do with the needle if it's easy for you. You go like this, and you go like this, and you pull it, you sew it. Sometimes, because when you put your needle, it can go through to the cotton, between the thread, it might be kind of a mess. So what you do, usually what I do a lot of time, I take my needle from the back part. It's much easier because it goes smoother. You can do this, and you can go here. You can do one by one, or you can take it all together. So now I want to show you, let's cut this thread. Where is my scissor? Okay, I'm gonna cut the thread. I don't want to take too much time, so we're gonna go down like this, right? So I want to show you how you can do the bottom. You don't want to make it like sharp, the baby, when it wears. What you have to do after you, let's say you're sewing here again, from here you take one from here, one from here, but when you reach close, let's say I am all, oops, okay, I'm here, I came down from down here to here, now I'm close to the head. You can go this way, or you can go from here to here, whichever easier for you, it doesn't matter. However you like, so it will make it smoother for a baby. You don't want any bulky things bother the baby's feet. So now, you see over here, let's say we put it all around with it, and now we reach to the tip of the head, the toes. So what you do is, you go one by one. You go one by one to the little seeds. Let me do with this. Here's my little kitten came. The big cat came. Mitten. All right. You go one by one like this. I'm doing opposite way, so it's easier and smoother. All right, let's do this way. Make it faster. All right, now that you did like this way all around the tip of the toes, you have to pull it and make it get together, so the socks will be tight and nice, just like this. And then of course, don't just cut your thread. Make sure you secure it, or you go just back straight up and you cut your thread here so it won't open it. So just go couple time over just to make nice and tight. Just like this. And then we'll cut the thread. Mitten, be good. And here is the tip of the toes, and let's say that we closed it here and here and here. It will become the little boot, which I did. You can see here how it is, and very simple and easy. The main thing is here to know one side is 10 and 10 and 10. If you're gonna do for a big person, you can add it maybe 20 or 15, and the other sides too should be the same, so it will perfectly fit for your feet. All right, now you know how to do it. And over here I have this little Booties. Why did I start it? I have a good news. I'm gonna be a grandmother, God willing, and you know it's gonna be a little boy. So I'm so happy and I'm so excited. So I hope God will give us a healthy baby. Let the baby have health and wisdom. That's what we wish. And I want to give this good news to the world from me to you guys. And I hope everybody who ever wishes to become a grandmother, I hope they will, because it's so much fun. So I'm going to start to do a lot of good, cute stuff like this for the babies. Thank you very much again for watching. I hope you like this channel. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.